Today we're going to be making chicken teriyaki. Heat a large frying pan over high heat. Meanwhile, pat the chicken breast dry with a paper towel. Cut the chicken into cubes. Add sesame oil to the hot pan, followed by the chicken. Brown the chicken well on all sides. Remove and set aside. Combine brown sugar, soy sauce, garlic, water, ginger, rice vinegar, and honey. Mix until well combined. Add sauce to the pan and allow it to come to a boil for 1 to 2 minutes. Add chicken back to the pan and cook for 4 to 5 more minutes. Remove from heat and sprinkle sesame seeds over the chicken and serve.